Once you click on the Share button in the top right-hand corner of your screen, you should see a menu that looks like this. This is where you have the option to share with a certain group of people or send out individual invitations to people who you want to view your document or presentation or any other doc within your Google Drive. The first thing we're going to talk about is up here. This is when you can share with a group of people. So I've clicked on anyone with the link can view. That's the default that Google Docs is going to choose for you. But you have some other options. If you only want specific people who you have invited to see your doc, you'll click on this option. Or you can read the others and see which sounds appealing to you. You can also click on the More option, and here you could make it public on the web if you wanted, say, all of the parents of your students to see this document or anyone with the link, and then you could share that link in an email or any of these other options. And I always like to make sure that I've selected Can View on my document unless I want to invite someone to edit or make changes to my document. So I typically use one of the first two options, either public on the web or anyone with the link. And unless I want them to change my document, I'm going to give them access to view. Then click Save. And it takes you back to this menu. I'm also going to take a minute to explain to you here. If I want to invite Kelly Spears to look at my doc, I will type in her full name and then select, and I want to make sure to select the @g.coppellisd.com. And I also have the option, since this is an individual person, do I want her to be able to edit this document, view, or just comment on? So I've decided that I'm going to make it anyone with the link can view and Kelly Spears can edit my document. I'm going to click on Send, but before I do that, I want to come up here and copy this link by pressing Control-C on a PC or Command-C on a MacBook, because I may want to include that link in an email later. Once you've done that, click on Send, and now you have decided how you're going to share your document.